Välkomna till Kino och Folkets Bio i Lund. Och den här specialvisningen som bara sker idag. Och filmen är ganska lång, men som jag förstår det så blir det ingen paus. Är det som ni vill ha det också? Ja. Så filmen är 2,5 timme nästan. Men den är säkert bra hela tiden. Och en liten introduktion ska ni få också av Ali Dala. Ja, välkommen.
I don't know why he said, but I think it was a lie. I don't believe him. Anyway, there's been a lot of talk about Kashmir today, and before I go on, I would like to thank the organizers for inviting us here. As a child, I've grew up listening to stories from my parents, my grandparents, that how diverse Kashmir used to be, how all the religions, Hindus, Muslims, Christians used to live together, and I've never saw it. So as I was growing up, I learned from my parents, I've learned from my elders, and I've tried to recreate Kashmir of post and pre-47 and what happened during 47. I hope you will enjoy it. Essentially, I made this film for my parents, but I'll let you see it. And then after that, if you want to ask me questions, it took me about 10 years. Getting money together, research, actors, it's aged me. I used to be a young man before I started this project. So thank you very much for inviting me. Enjoy the film.
It's a borderline case.
Even to
Strong
speak.
feelings are not often easy to portray. But I do understand that borders are wrong.